Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Renuka Connects. Today we are going to concentrate on tongue twisters and alliterations. Now what are they? Tongue twisters are the words that are used in the phrase or a sentence which begin with the same sound, the vowel, the consonant or the alphabet. Tongue twisters or the words that we use can be for entertainment, fun, in get-togethers, picnics, parties, outings, and so on. Tongue twisters give clarity to the thought, language, as well as the pronunciation. Let us take up some tongue twisters first. The most common and the best one go to see, often used, Betty bought some butter. Betty bought some butter. But the butter was bitter. But the butter was bitter. So Betty bought another butter. So Betty bought another butter. To make the bitter butter better. To make the bitter butter better. Isn't it confusing when spoken fast? We take the next one. The barbarians broke the barricade. The barbarians broke the barricade. Susie sits in the shoe shop till 7. Susie sits in the shoe shop till 7. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. The sly snake slithered slowly. The sly snake slithered slowly. No need to light the night lamp. Though no need to light the night light. No need to light the night light. See, when we speak these words, such sentences, we often make mistakes when spoken fast or even slowly. Okay? The next one, 6 swans swam southwards. 6 swans are swimming southwards, called SSS. Now these were some of the examples of tongue twisters. Let us see alliteration. Now what exactly is alliteration? Alliteration is used normally in poetry, in poems, wherein the lines have certain words, about 2 or 3, beginning with the same sound, the alphabet or the consonant. There are just 2 or 3, not many. Let us see the examples. My mother makes delicious food. My mother makes delicious food. Captain Cook went to Costa Rica. Captain Cook went to Costa Rica. Adam ate an apple. Adam ate an apple and Amy ate an apricot. Amy ate an apricot. The plumes of the peacock, white, purple, white or purple. The plumes of the peacock, purple and green. Plumes of the peacock, purple and green, or plumes of the peacock, white and purple. You can say that way. They hear no sound, the swell is strong. They hear no sound, the swell is strong. They are as busy as the bees. The workers work as busy as the bees, or they are as busy as the bees. The grass grows greener in the graveyard. The grass grows greener in the graveyard. The lion licked his lips. The lion licked his lips. The red roses were wrapped in ribbons. The red roses were wrapped in ribbons. Now, what did you notice? That in alliteration, there were just 2 or 3 words beginning with the same, the alphabets and the sound as well as the consonants whereas in tongue twisters there were many. Now, this was a part of grammar which I wanted to make it clear to many. But very often we mix up both. We mix up both in the sense we can consider tongue twisters as alliterations, but we cannot say that alliterations are tongue twisters. Did you find a difference? Yes, because there we have 95% and more words beginning with the same sound, the alphabets and all that, whereas in alliteration they were less. But go to see, we really have fun, finding out both and playing, with both the types of words in the during get-togethers and all that, But alliteration is a serious figure of speech, and for the exams, for the students, and to find out, the difference between many other figures of speech. So I hope the concept of tongue twisters and alliteration is clear to everyone. I'm sure you will subscribe, share, and like my channel. Follow me for more.